We have all the expertise and the products and services that you would need in your commercial business. I think what sets us apart is just our ability to really look through the situation and find the best structure for the commercial client.
And the impact that we as regional banks uniquely have in these local markets is really, I think, a big point of pride to me. Like, we're the ones that are helping local businesses grow and hire more people and create great jobs.
I feel that clients choose First Western due to the relational component and the ability to deliver with a number of services versus a specific service. So First Western tends to focus on an entrepreneur who may feel they have an immediate need that needs to be resolved, but may not be aware of other needs that need to be solved for.
Our products are just solutions to their problems and to their needs. And it's more important for us to get to know our clients and their operations and their past as well as their future plans before we even introduce a solution.
We can structure customized solutions. We're not a one-stop shop. We're not putting them into a specific bundle. We're customizing every solution to meet their unique needs.
Yeah, the complexities of an entrepreneur are real. And I think main focus is there's a lot on their shoulders. They are supporting a lot of families and a lot of responsibility lies there. So First Western is able to do a number of things where they can support their key leaders in their businesses and do that through strategies that we have through our 401k division, so our retirement group, our insurance group. And that doesn't happen at many smaller institutions.
Our original founding of our company is from an entrepreneur himself, which is, in banking, is sometimes an oxymoron. Banks aren't typically entrepreneurial. And so our DNA is very much an entrepreneurial, kind of that spirit of problem solving, innovating, creative solutions, not just this is the way we always do things and this is how the path you're going to have to go down.
So at First Western, we talk about being the best private bank for the Western Wealth Management client. And one might think that that means that we're not a commercial bank. And if one thought that, they would be wrong. We are actually a very significant commercial bank. And the reason is obvious if you think about it. If our client tends to be business owners or investors in businesses, we don't want to send our clients across the street for a commercial banking business. So from early on, we've had a really strong focus on commercial banking here. So you can get state-of-the-art treasury management services. We do commercial loans. We do commercial industrial loans. They call them C&I loans at banks. We do commercial real estate. We have most of our bankers actually tend to be commercial trained as a starting point.
We're, I think, able to understand complex situations to outperform community bank peers. And it's because that's in our DNA. And so we're really working to support the entrepreneur from a wealth management perspective, from a planning perspective. And we do that through delivery of services through a boutique team in each of the markets.
Commercial banking at First Western is much more sophisticated. It's much more thoughtful than it is in some of your typical banks.
We've been able to add value to families, to businesses, and I think a lot of it starts with an entrepreneur starts a business, and maybe initially that business has started to earn an income to support a family. But it typically is to support a belief, a mission, a purpose. And those entrepreneurs, I think, that have been very successful have just had a belief to say this needs to happen within a community or a society, and they just pursue that with a lot of passion.
We are not the bank for everybody, but we are the best commercial bank for our wealth creators. And we bring to the table a stable of experienced bankers that craft solutions, that have been through downturns, who have been through upturns, who have ridden both sides of the cycle. We have the ability to really dig into complex opportunities.
We have all the expertise and the products and services that you would need in your commercial business. I think what sets us apart is just our ability to really look through the situation and find the best structure for the commercial client.
What we're looking to do is deliver solutions for them and solutions to problems that they may not even know they need to address. And we're able to do that because we're focused on entrepreneurial wealth. We've experienced it, we've seen it before. So having the expertise that we have with the leaders that we have in each of the local markets, along with the corporate support of our Denver team, we're able to deliver a lot of value outside of selling a product.
Most banks that would look at doing cash flow leverage financing will only do opportunities that are 20 to 30 million and above, because we're built for the entrepreneur and for the wealth creator. We recognize that there's a place in this market for the opportunities to buy and sell and leverage companies at that $1 to $5 million range. And we can do the $20 million, but where nobody else really wants to dig in and get their hands dirty or wants to take the time to understand those opportunities, we have a team that's committed to doing it and good at it.
I feel that First Western delivers commercial banking services better than our competitors because we have decision makers in each of our markets. We have expertise leading each of our markets. Most of our market leaders come from a commercial banking background. They have extended experience in commercial banking.
From a commercial banking standpoint, we have very sophisticated deposit products as well as treasury management products. We don't try to approach a commercial client with a loan or a deposit. We try to approach the commercial client with a full solution that includes retirement services. So not only can they bank with us, on the deposit side, we can actually give them tools to help manage their cash flow. We can give them financing and lending that they need, and we can provide retirement services, 401k plans to their associates. So it's a full service boutique experience.